Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And as you probably have noticed, I've been struggling to put up videos, and I haven't been able to find things to review, things that I think you would be interested in. Luckily, Thomas, my longtime supporter, has been sending me stuff, and that's been keeping me going. Thank you, Thomas. So, what I did this morning is I went through the list I made on Amazon starting several years ago of possible things that I could get to review. And I'm going to go through those quickly this morning with you and let you see what I've got on my list. If you see one you think I should get and review, let me know. If you see something on Amazon that's not on my list, let me know. I need some ideas here. So let's start with this one. This one I put on my list back in 2021. And the reason this one caught my eye was kind of a typical AM FM shortwave analog radio, but it has a large solar panel that it comes with. That's what caught my eye. Not too good a rating. I think the radio might be a little lacking, so been kind of on the fence. It's not on a great sale. One thing about Amazon that most of you know, the sales come and go quickly, and some of them are really great. I've gotten several things for like half price, but sale. By the time I got it, I learned how to use it. I did a video, sale was over. Got to be quick. This is a very, very good radio. This is by Eaton. I've always had good radios. And this is the American Red Cross Emergency Radio, AM, FM, NOAA, crank charge, got a nice flashlight, digital display. Little pricey. I was hoping it would go on sale, and it may have been on sale, and I missed it. Okay, here's another emergency radio. Uh, this company is quite popular. $35. It's analog. So if I had to pick one of these two at the price they're at right now, I would pick the E. Here's another emergency radio, NOAA weather, only $19. Good reviews. It's not on sale right now. Now here is what I call a novelty. It's kind of those radios that you don't really expect a great performance, but you like the looks of it. That's what caught my eye. And it's on sale right now for 15% off. So better look into this one before that sale's over. Here's another pocket emergency radio, $21, good rating. Here's a couple that I deleted. When I went through this list originally, I had about 40 items. Well, I ended up deleting about 20 because they were no longer available. So that's one thing you have to watch about Amazon also. You see something you like, it could disappear and not come back. Now, I deleted this one. Data is way too expensive. I deleted. This one was gone. Okay. And like I say, it could be back tomorrow or 15 minutes from now. You never know. This is totally a novelty radio. Don't really understand it. They got this funky area right here that looks like some kind of player, but it's not. It's fake. But it does support TF card. Only $15. Apparently people like it. 41 people up the review. Here's some other ones that are gone. This is an interesting radio. It has double speakers and it's Bluetooth and FM no AM. $29, pretty good price, not on sale. Like I say, I like to catch things on sale. This one caught my eye. The standard price is pretty good, only $18. AM, FM, shortwave, Bluetooth, and TF card, so it's got all the functions. Get that one today. This one I've been watching for a while. This is a rather large one. I bought one similar to this. I think it was analog. This is digital, which drives the price up. I would have been waiting for this to go on sale. Either hasn't or I missed it. Now, here is one that Prunus has been very good to me. Sent me a lot of radios for review. I've asked them at least twice to send me this one, and for some reason they haven't. So I may have just to buy this one. Got good reviews, 4. This is another novelty radio. The only thing that held me back from buying this is, sure, this is plastic, may look really bad. Don't know. But look at here. It's 31% off. Boom, I better get that one soon. Here's another Prunus radio to know weather. And lastly is this one that has 10,000 milliamp battery in it. That caught my eye. It's only $20 or $22 and a very high rating. That's it. Again, if you want me to get one of these like ASAP to review, let me know. Or if you have other ones you've been thinking about getting, want somebody to review it, I'll give it a try. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.